Hey, to update software on the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, first of all, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data to download the latest software version. Next, you will have to go into the settings, then scroll down all the way down until you reach device care. Then from here, you will have to go into the software update. And from here, click to download and install. And as you can see, I've got this new update. That's actually the size of the update. And now I can also find some features. So the software update can include, but it's not limited to device stability, new or enhanced features, further improvements. And yeah, so let's do this. Click to install now. And we have to just wait for the downloading process. After this, our smartphone will be turned off and turn it on, and we will get new features or improved stability on our smartphone. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.